In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Moza wheel to Forza. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use any model of Moza steering wheel to play Forza Horizon. As long as it is compatible with the device that you are plugging it in, you will be able to play. So you can play Forza on Xbox consoles and also PC. For this video, I'm going to assume that you are on PC, but you can follow the same instructions regardless. Set up your steering wheel first. So in this example, I have the R3. In the base of the wheel, you will plug it into any power source, so an electrical outlet, and then plug it into the DC input port. The other cable is going to be used to connect the pedals to the base. And finally, you will connect it to your desired platform, either PC or Xbox, using a standard USB cable. So one end of the cable goes into the USB port on that device, and the other one into the USB port on the wheel base. After you have these connections established, you are good to go. So just power on the wheel and start enjoying the game. If it doesn't work, then make sure that you set it up properly according to the manual. Because every single steering wheel is different, I cannot give you specific instructions for all of them. Now, inside of Forza, there are some settings that you should check. Go to the options before starting, and then under controls, go to change input mapping. Now switch over to the wheel category, and in here you will first be able to change the layout so you can have multiple different layouts and profiles, and change the actual buttons so you can go individually between all of them and set them up if needed, but usually they will be detected right away. If the wheel is not working for whatever reason, try updating the firmware or downloading the drivers from the official Moza website. So go to support, Moza Pithouse, and download the software here. With all of this done, you will be good to go. You can also change advanced controls, things related to force feedback, for example, and after all of it has been set up, you can enjoy Forza or any other compatible game. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.